Now you have a perfect Swiss meringue buttercream.
Hello everyone, this is Veronica and in today's video we're making Swiss meringue buttercream. We're gonna start with a double boiler. The stove temperature should be in medium. We're gonna add the sugar, a pinch of cream of tartar, and the egg white. You can find the full recipe on the description box below. Combine all the ingredients and we're gonna wait for the sugar to completely dissolve into the egg whites. Rub the mixture in between your fingers to see if you have granules, and if you do, just keep on stirring until you get to 155 degrees and the sugar is completely dissolved. On the mixer, whip up the meringue. We're gonna be using the whisk attachment on high speed until we get stiff peaks and the bowl is cool to the touch. With the mixer at medium speed, we're gonna start adding the butter and it needs to be at room temperature. Once you're done adding the butter and your buttercream starts looking like cottage cheese, just keep on beating with the whisk attachment and it should come together. If the meringue was too hot when you added the butter, it's gonna turn liquidy, so you can put it on the fridge and then beat it again.
Add the vanilla extract. You can also use clear vanilla. Now you have a perfect Swiss meringue buttercream. This is great for fillings or to ice cakes.
For other options and flavors, visit the website. The link is on the description box below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this one every week. Thank you and we'll see you next time.